Friends, the government will also build new infrastructure like large accommodation units, experiential centers, amusement parks, and viewing galleries in about 100 new villages to expand tourism beyond the established clusters. Some of the approved new clusters include Kinshi in West Khasi Hills, Soyong, Mausanram, Jylla in East Khasi Hills, Amlarem in West Jemke Hills, Mandalgri in East Garo Hills, and Siju in South Garo Hills. In urban areas of Shillong, Tura, and Jowai, we are collaborating with Dorbars and local development committees to ensure holistic and participatory development. For Shillong City, a plan for redevelopment of about 100 acres of government land for expanding roads, footpaths, building green spaces, markets, parking lots, and effluent treatment plants is being finalized. For the new Shillong City at Sauli and Maodianjiang is ongoing. We expect to start the first phase of construction, including the new Secretariat building, a Unity Mall, and sports infrastructure within the next 6 months. The planning for building the mini Secretariat at Tura has started, and construction will begin very soon. Friends, all these interventions will increase the overall ease of living for the urban residents and lead to a boom in the services sector.